Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are embarking on our most ambitious project yet. We're heading deep into the jungle, to the edge of a cliff, to build something truly spectacular. For the next 90 days, we're going to construct an entire bamboo house, right here, on this cliffside. But that's not all. This won't be just any house. It's going to have a feature you've never seen before, a water slide that goes straight from the house into a secret, underground swimming pool. It's a massive challenge, and we'll be relying purely on primitive technology. Natural materials we can find right here, and the ancient building techniques passed down through generations. First things first, we need a solid foundation. The location is key. We've found the perfect spot, a sturdy cliff face with a solid base and an incredible view of the jungle canopy. The initial phase is all about clearing the area and preparing the ground. We'll be using our trusty handmade tools to level the site and mark out the footprint of the house and, most importantly, the location for our underground pool. This part is crucial. Digging the pool is going to be one of the most physically demanding parts of this entire build. We're talking about moving tons of earth and rock, all by hand. We'll use sharpened sticks and woven baskets to excavate the pit, slowly but surely creating the space for our jungle oasis. As the pit for the pool gets deeper, we'll simultaneously start sourcing our primary building material, bamboo. This jungle is full of it, and we need to be selective, choosing mature, strong stalks that will form the backbone of our structure. We'll chop them down, carry them back to the site, and begin the process of treating them to ensure they're durable and long-lasting. For the main frame of the house, we need the thickest, strongest bamboo we can find. These will be our support columns, driven deep into the ground to anchor the entire house to the cliff. It's a slow, painstaking process. Each piece has to be cut to the perfect length and notched precisely so they all fit together like a giant puzzle. We'll use natural fibers and vines to lash the joints, creating a framework that is both incredibly strong and flexible enough to withstand the elements. While one part of the team works on the house frame, the others will continue the excavation of the pool. As we dig deeper, we start to encounter more rock, which we have to break up and remove piece by piece. Once the hole is deep enough, the next challenge is waterproofing it. We'll use a thick layer of clay, sourced from a nearby riverbed. We'll mix the clay with water to create a pliable paste and then meticulously line the entire interior of the pool pit. This natural sealant, once dried and compacted, will form a waterproof barrier, preventing the water from seeping back into the earth. It's an ancient technique, and it's amazing to see it work so effectively. With the foundation set and the pool lined with clay, it's time to start building upwards. The floor of the house comes next, a sturdy platform made from split bamboo laid across the main support beams. This will give us a stable surface to work on as we construct the walls and the roof. We'll weave thinner strips of bamboo together to create the wall panels, providing shelter while still allowing for airflow to keep the house cool in the jungle heat. The roof will be a masterpiece of its own, a layered construction of large leaves, like palm fronds, woven together to create a waterproof thatch. This will protect us from the tropical rains and the intense sun. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the slide. This is where creativity really comes into play. We need to build a smooth, curved channel that runs from the second floor of the house, down the side of the cliff, and splashes right into our newly dug pool. We'll construct the slide's frame out of bamboo, carefully shaping it to get the perfect angle and curve for a fun, fast ride. Then, we'll line the inside of the slide with a similar clay mixture that we used for the pool. We'll spend days smoothing it out, polishing it over and over until it's perfectly slick. The final step for the slide will be to create a system to keep it wet, using a bamboo aqueduct to channel a small stream of water down its surface, ensuring a smooth and speedy descent every time. As the days turn into weeks, the structure really starts to take shape. It's incredible to see our vision coming to life. Every day is a new challenge, from fighting off insects to dealing with sudden downpours. But the progress keeps us motivated. We're not just building a house, we're creating a home, a sanctuary in the heart of the wild. We add the finishing touches, woven doors, windows with bamboo shutters, and even some handmade furniture. The house feels solid, a testament to what can be achieved with just our hands and the resources of the forest. The final, most satisfying step is filling the pool. We'll construct a long channel made of bamboo to divert water from a nearby stream directly into our underground cavern. It takes a while, but watching the crystal clear water slowly rise is an amazing feeling. The clay lining holds perfectly. The water reflects the green of the jungle above, creating a truly magical scene. With the pool full and the slide polished, there's only one thing left to do. It's time to test it out. After 90 days of hard work, sweat, and determination, this moment is what it's all been about. The first ride down that slide, splashing into the cool water of our own private, underground pool, is a feeling of pure joy and accomplishment. And there you have it. A complete bamboo cliffside house with its own water slide and underground swimming pool, built from scratch in 90 days, using only primitive tools and natural materials. This project has pushed our skills and our endurance to the limit, but the result is more rewarding than we could have ever imagined. It's a perfect blend of ancient survival skills and creative, modern fun. What an incredible journey it's been. We hope this build inspires you to see the amazing possibilities that lie within nature. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next epic primitive build. See you in the next one.